Out, delivering hard, right hands down the middle, ending that combination with a left hook, right uppercut from Herlin, and he's down, Japan is down!
Matapos ang tatlong sunod-sunod na panalo kontra sa mga Thai boxer at madipinsaan pa ang titulong Asian Boxing Federation Bantamweight title, ay muling pinadayo ang Pinoy champion sa bansang Thailand para dipinsaan ulit ang titulo niya. Ang Pinoy ay ang tubong Negros Occidental na si Herlan Gomez. Nakalaban niya ang veteranong Thai boxer na si Jakpan Sangtong. Kilalang knockout artist itong si Sangtong na may record na 12 wins, 7 losses, 11 via knockout, habang 8 wins, only 1 defeat, 5 via knockout naman si Herlan Gomez. Pero kilalang destroyer ng mga Thai boxer din itong si Gomez. 5 Thai boxer na ang sunod-sunod na tinalo nito at 3 pa dito ay via TKO. Kaya naman, talagang sobrang gigil talaga ang mga Thai boxer na makaganti sa Pinoy. Kaya isang knockout artist talaga ang pinaharap sa ating bida. Pero sa mismong gabi ng bakbakan ay di pa din umubra itong si Sangtong. Nilamog lang ni Herlan Gomez ang budiga nitong Thai boxer.
With a left hook, right uppercut from Herlin, and he's down, Japan is down!
Ating tignan ang laban ng Pinoy na tinaguri ang destroyer ng mga Thai boxer na si Herlan Gomez kontra Jakpan Sangtong.
Good left hook there from the Thai fighter. Jab there from Japan, went to the body as well. Check left hook from Herlin, right hand lands for the Filipino as well. Good jab there from Herlin. Japan almost slipped that jab, right hand, so that almost connected as well. Right hand there to the body from Herlin as Japan misses with his left hook counter. Stiff jab from the Thai fighter. Japan with the height advantage, and he really wants to use it by staying on the outside and keeping Herlin at range with his jab. Herlin needs to get on the inside and close the distance. It's not that much of a height advantage, but it is noticeable. Obviously a little bit apprehensive to engage. Don't forget, this is going to be over 10 rounds. Good left hook there from the Thai fighter. Adding onto it too, Herlin firing back with his own left uppercut to the body. Jab there from Herlin. The counter, missing with his counter, missing with 3 punches in a row. Good evasion there from Herlin. This really is a game of chess early on in round number 1. Right hand, looks like that just went through the guard there for Japan. Right hand there from Herlin, left hook as well. Finishing strong here from Herlin. Guess maybe me getting carried away, not finishing that soon. Left hook there from Japan, slips through the guard of Herlin and going to the body too. Oh, good left hook there from Herlin. He's going to town on Japan now with some more punishing haymakers with the uppercut and the right hand on the inside, delivering the uppercuts and the hooks and to the body. Japan. Trishanet and our judges at ringside, Roar Dun Cow Pet. Okay. Both these two having a fight in the phone booth for round 2. Good body shot there from Japan. Herlin rallying back with his own 1-2 and going to the body and to the head. Champion. Very well placed right hand to the body there from Japan. Both these two exchanging jabs. The taller fighter, Herlin, really just wants to duck and weave and get on the inside and punish the body and then go upstairs as soon as Japan's guard lowers to protect his body from the body shots. Good body shot there from Herlin. Right hand connects, misses with the second right hand. Japan trying to fire back. Japan holding centre ring, trying to find a way and trying to counter Herland as he comes forward. Landing again with that right hand to the body. Herland swinging a miss. Herland landing with the left hook. Japan closing distance to zone 1-2. Just trying to fire back to zone 1-2, but being snubbed on the inside by the bodywork from Herland. And Herland now delivering hard right hands down the middle, ending that combination with a left hook. Right uppercut from Herland. And he's down! Japan is down! It was the left uppercut to the body. Beforehand he landed the right uppercut to the body as well, and it doesn't look like Japan's going to get up, and Herland is going to...
Hi guys, this is Mark Magnifico Magsayo. You are watching Channel Manoy.